Today, we're installing some of our heavy-duty wheel stops. We stock a wide variety, including concrete, rubber, heavy-duty and premium variants. Firstly, we have to line out the spots for our wheel stops using fluorescent string to make sure that the line is straight and the distance between the kerb is consistent across the area. Secondly, we place the wheel stops between the markings and make sure that the distance is centered between the markings and lines up with the kerb and the strings. We then repeat the process with the other wheel stops and double check to see if they're lined up. Next, we use a drill to break through the rubber to create an opening in the wheel stop fixing points to install the fixings. Finally, we place the fixings into the wheel stop and fasten them using a jackhammer. This process is repeated until all of the wheel stops have been installed. And there you have it. That's how we install our wheel stops. If you have any questions, please feel free to send through a message or visit our website at www.tkobollards.com.au.